Hello, guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to call from Facebook Messenger. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your device. Then, select any person that you want to call. It can be a group or a person itself. Select the person, and on the top right corner, you will see something like a phone icon for audio call, a video icon or a camera icon for a video call, and the search icon. To do an audio call, click on the audio call button. To do a video call, click on the video call button. For now, I'm doing the audio call, so I'll just click on the button, and the call will begin. And that is how we make a call using Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.